Sometimes the bomb might explode without any warning.
I'm blowing up like I'm the bomb. Check out the friends I bring along. What type of fish you think we own? You probably think it's King Kong, and you wouldn't be wrong. Blowing up like I'm the bomb. Check out the friends I bring along. What type of fish you think we own? You probably think it's King Kong, and you wouldn't be wrong. It's on, we some animals. Honestly, don't know if they can handle us. We blowing up, and that is understandable. Like animals, we're healthy and refreshing. What they have been requesting, a perfect combination. Call it salad with the dressing. Impressions getting made while we resting in the shade. If I'm testing any braid, just expect them to get paid. This some next.
Good morning. What a morning. Looks like I've hooked a nice tuna here off Scottburgh. It's actually fishing for Garrick, but I screamed away. I was fishing right next to a pocket of sardines. I mean, it's middle of September and there's still sardines. It's giving me gears, this thing already. So I've got a feeling it's quite a sizable one. I'm hoping for a good one. Quite close to the surface now. I think he's coming in. Tired. More tired than me, it seems. Had him right under the boat now, but he's not tired yet. That's for sure. Get tired now, buddy. Not budging, peeps.
Next level lemonade, coming to have you a little taste. Yeah, we call that Minute Maid to watch the view count spinning blades. Like 3, 2, 1. Telling fish I wanna see you run. He's gonna take it in 3, 2, 1. Telling fish I wanna see you run. Like 3, 2, 1. Telling fish I wanna see you run. He's gonna take it in 3, 2, 1. Telling fish I wanna see you run. I'ma tell it like it is, and I ain't bolstering the facts. I got weaponry wordplay, I'm holstering the tracks. I've been coasting on the map, making mates in every state. Steady posting on these apps, pics of fish as big as apes. So straight, I generate more traffic than the causeway. Cause I be in these schools like the hallway. All day, saute, I can be your daily supplement. Reels packed to the brim, blue fin dumping it. Watch him jumping, something's bit. Rod tip, did a 90. If you're looking for your boy on the oceans, where you'll find me. The fish that we catch, you can bet they full violent. We wildin', you think that we were fishing Skull Island. So dialed in that I have blown up on your cell phone. Sliding all the way through the no swell zone. Smiling, cause I don't do nothing but fish. Pray to God and now I work rods, it's time for my ship. Like 3, 2, 1. Telling fish I wanna see you run. He's gonna take it in 3,